He heard it. I think because I heard him say, "Oh, cramp or something." You got the number now, yo. Right? You got
B?
the number, yo.
B?
Tell him
Why
where
you saying? Hey, you want me to have Sunshine come pick you up, man? Yes, yes. But I'll text you her number. All right.
You good, B?
Nah, can listen, man. I don't want you out there hurt like that, man.
All right.
Huh?
KB Classic on the beat.
Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, click on the bell to be notified when I post new video. Today we're in South Jersey. We're doing the 2001 Propel 100 charity bike ride. It's a ride for cancer research. We're going to attempt to do something we haven't done before, and that is to do 100 miles. I guess depending on how our body feel, we can decide to stop at 50 miles or 75 miles. So let's see, we're gonna push ourselves to do this one here. Here we have the full crew here, the full Trendsetter crew. We have Thomas, D, Omar, and a few others. Anyway, we gotta maintain a speed at least 15 miles per hour average. So it's a very competitive race. We gotta do it within about 6 to 7 hours, 100 miles. If you can't do it, well, you just have to turn back. Yeah, the weather is very good. Actually, it's a bit overcast. Hopefully, the rain don't catch us in our attempt to do this 100 mile. South Jersey, as you can see, is a long stretch, long roads. We can basically cycle for like 10, 15 miles before we get to a stop sign, before we come to a stoplight. So it's open road, open road. So we hit the first rest here where we rest for a few minutes. So we're heading out back out on the road here.
Hey, what happened? Half man, half machine. You mean it's the wrong way? Yeah, slow up, man. Slow down. Yeah. You want to take a break?
B? B?
Why you saying? Hey, you want me to have Sunshine come pick you up, man? But I'll text you her number.
You good, B?
Nah, can listen, man. I don't want you out there hurt like that, man. Huh?
So this is what we face in our quest to do 100 miles. As you can see, the rain is falling. We are cycling in this rain for the first time. But we're gonna soldier it on, we're gonna push on, we're gonna complete this 100 miles. So we take our final rest here. We're at the rest stop here. We're about to hit back the road. The rain, as you see, has passed.
It is not needed. Watch yourself over here.
At this point here, we have less than 20 miles to go before we complete this 100 miles. our strength and determination have paid off. What I learned from this is unity is strength. Together we are stronger. Anyway, we have completed this 100 miles. Coming to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next one. Peace.